In about 6 hours, we want people to build something, ship it, and get to win big prizes.
We got 2,000 plus registrations from across 600 plus cities, 1,000 plus companies.
I am actually building a automation for freelancers.
A tool for content creators.
I'm actually building a short film.
Students have done an amazing job.
We have a good mix of tech and non-tech people, so I'm really excited to see what they're building.
Welcome to Bengaluru AI Hack Day.
I'm Ishan.
And I'm Nandini.
And we are in the tech city of India. I came to Bangalore exactly 3 years ago, and the first day I entered, the first thing I did was to go to an actual event. And life has come full circle because we've finally done our very first event, that too, a Gen AI event in Bangalore itself.
So let us take inside and see what's going on.
What's up, Bengaluru? I want you all to stand up. Let's get some energy in the room. I want you all to stand up and clap for yourself.
Welcome to Bengaluru AI Hack Day. This is the second edition of our hackathon. First one we did was in Mumbai, which had around 200 to 250 people. And this one is bigger than that. And we are very excited for this one today. For this hackathon, we had people from different backgrounds, be it engineers, be it freelancer, founders, architect. And as you can see on the screen, we had with professionals, voice AI developer, app developer, and a lot more. 500 plus cities, which is actually very, very amazing, and not just Bengaluru. So clap for this fact. This is very amazing. This time we had 30% female representation, which is more than what we had in Mumbai Hack Day. So that is actually very good. We had people from 1,000 plus companies and 300 plus colleges, which shows that how people across different backgrounds, different personas are thinking about building something with AI. And with AI, building something is not just for tech people, but for anyone who has a creative mind, who can think, who can brainstorm, and can put it in the form of a prompt. But before we start the event today, many of you, it would be natural for Ishan to organize a hackathon. He talks about AI, he talks about tech. But for me, I come from a finance background. I'm a CA, and I worked in consulting, I worked in private equity, which is like the hardcore, glamorous finance jobs. And I was very far from building something. I had no clue about tech, but there's always a turning point in everyone's life where you realize something and then you change some habits in your life, you learn something new. And for me, that was a simple lunch table conversation. I was at my office. It was around 1 p.m. And one of my colleagues who comes from a finance background, he shares that, hey, I made an app for tracking my son's homework. And I was like, wow, how did you do that? Because that guy hadn't done anything in tech. And he said that, oh, I used some AI tools to build it, and it's actually very good. There were other people on the table who could understand the conversation. They were engineers, but there were other people as well who could relate, but I was not able to. And that really excited me to go home, search about it on YouTube, how to use different vibe coding tools, be it your Replit, Lovable, anything. And I started learning. That's where my learning journey started about a year back. And while I was going through this journey, I had a lot of doubts. And I think you would have faced those bugs while doing the vibe coding when you actually write the right prompt, but you don't get the right results. And you keep asking your friends. And for me, that friend was Ishan, and he helped me out throughout the journey of how to build different things with AI. I have a website called nagrawal.com, which is actually made with vibe coding. And like, can you believe someone from non-tech background made it? Because I just knew how it should look, what are the functionalities it should have. I wanted it to generate sales for me, and I just used the tech to do it for me. And as I come from a finance background, one day I was like, I want to pick stocks, but when I go to screener, I see a complete list of stocks and I want to apply criteria. Okay, let's say a stock which has a PE of less than 15x and like growth is more than 20% and like 4 or 5 more criteria. And then I was like, how to do it? And I asked Ishan, and he told me that you can make an AI agent to do it. And we built an AI agent who would send me a weekly report of, okay, these are the stocks which meet your criteria. And that was very exciting for me. Wow, like you can do a lot with this tech. And I used to discuss it with my tech investing team at GIC. It's a sovereign wealth fund of Singapore. And one day, my colleague said, Nandini, do you want to do a mini hackathon, like 10 friends, and we just do it since you're very excited about these tools? And I was just, sharing with Ishan, hey, I'm thinking about it. And he just said, do you want to do a proper hackathon? And that's where Mumbai Hack Day came into picture. Okay, let's do a proper hackathon. And after that, we got a very good response at Mumbai Hack Day. People started saying, let's do one in Bangalore, come to Pune, come to Delhi, come to Ahmedabad. And this time, here we are at Bangalore AI Hack Day. And rest to Ishan.
I think the biggest thing to understand and take away from this day is that as long as you know what you want, as long as you're clear with your thought, you can bring it to life. It could be design, it could be building software, anything. As long as you know how to describe it effectively, you can build it with AI. And that is the biggest breakthrough that we have. And that's what we are celebrating today here at this event. We want to keep it short. I know normally hackathons are like 1 day, at least 2 days long over the weekend, but we want to see what can people build in just 6 hours. And today, with the tools that we have access to, there's incredible stuff that you can build if you just know how to communicate clearly. All right, that's it. Let's start the hackathon.
This is a very big space. We did our Mumbai Hack Day in September, and this is a much bigger space as compared to that. We have innovation lab here. We have a very big hall and a play area as well where people are playing air hockey, basketball, and a lot more.
I feel like AI can literally make you limitless. If you just know how to describe what you want to build and you can communicate it effectively, you can literally build anything, be it designs, be it code.
And that's the unique thing about this hackathon. We have people not only from tech background, but also from non-tech, be it CAs, freelancers, founders. Anyone who hasn't even built a website is also part of this hackathon today, and we're very excited to see what they're going to build.
So why not go to the builders and ask them exactly what are they building, and let's have a chat with them.
Yeah, let's do that.
I am actually building a automation for freelancers.
Yeah, hi, I'm Aman, and I am building basically a tool for content creators.
I'm actually building a short film, like about a product which is not yet released.
Now let's go to Nandini and see who she's talking to.
Building an agentic AI.
What are you building?
A short film.
What are you working on?
It is a content creation web application. Well, I'm using Make and anything.com.
Okay. And the exciting part is for this hackathon, we got 2,000 plus registrations from across 600 plus cities, 1,000 plus companies, and 300 plus institutes.
This hackathon is truly multi-city. It's around the country, and we've brought the brightest minds under one roof, and let's see what they build at the end of the day.
The prerequisite for any great hackathon is to have a space where people feel comfortable and can enjoy themselves while building. And a very big thanks to Polaris for helping us with such a big and beautiful space.
You know, Nandini, venue is one thing, but the most important thing is enabling people to use the best tools that they can. So because we were having two different tracks, we reached out to companies and we were able to partner up with Naik, which is an amazing drag and drop automation builder, so people can build those agentic websites much more effectively. Secondly, we have partnered up with Anything AI, which is an amazing platform for you to vibe code and build apps. Lovable, which is pretty much the fastest growing vibe coding tool out there.
For our second track, which is making an AI film or ad, we partnered with Morphic, which is a design studio and helps in end-to-end video creation.
And not just that, the last and the most important thing is presentation, showcasing what you've just built. And for that, we reached out to Gamma.app. Gamma enables anyone to create slides by just describing what you want, all with the help of AI. So these are all the prizes for today's hackathon. In about 6 hours, we want people to build something, ship it, and get to win big prizes. Nandini, what are these prizes for?
So we have PS5 for the best AI film. Then we have the Mini Mac for the best website, which is vibe coded. And then we have MacBook Air for the best agentic website.
Now I want to give a special mention to Omi. So for the next 5 best hacks, they will win these Omi devices. What are these? These are wearable chat GPTs. So the way this works is that, think of wearing a pendant. You go around, you meet your friends, you do your meetings, maybe you're selling something to people. It would record all of your conversations, and then later you can converse with it and ask any questions with it. It's a super cool product. I got to meet the founder in SF, Nick, shout out to you. So this is for the next 5 hacks, but we have more prizes, right?
Yeah. We also have a viral content creator prizes where the top 5 content will win the Amazon vouchers worth 2,000.
So that were the prizes. Let's see who wins it. The day starts with an incredible lineup of speakers, including Swamy from CRED,
Saptarshi from Swiggy,
Mehul, who's building Fermion, and Harish, who is building Fest. And then came 6 long hours where the builders were heads down, locked in, getting things done and building their apps.
And then came the most important and critical time of judging the 300 plus submissions which we got, and everyone was so excited to see who has built what. And the toughest job was of the judges. We had Mehul, Saransh, and Ruchi to judge the AI agentic track, Tharun to judge the AI films, and Nishant and Arsh to judge the vibe-coded website.
And we could see the excitement building up in the eyes of all the participants waiting to hear the winners. And then came the time to announce them all.
Umema won MacBook Air for building an agentic website for making research papers which she hadn't done earlier. Surya won Mac Mini for building a vibe-coded website which helps in the process of content creation.
And Shiv won a PS5 for an AI ad film showcasing a product through which you can experience the past.
It was really cool to see people get creative with the themes and come up with unique ideas to build on.
It was so much fun organizing this hackathon and meeting all the builders, seeing them turn their ideas into reality using the latest AI tools.
Hope you had fun watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.